Welcome to the Year 2 strategy for subtracting tidy numbers. In this lesson I'm learning to subtract tidy numbers by skip counting backwards in tens. Well, let's start by looking at a hundreds board. And I'm going to choose to start at 32. Now when I subtract a tidy number, I'm going back up my hundreds board. So that's a jump back up 10, or subtracting 10, and if I subtracted another 10, it would take me up to 12. Notice how when I'm subtracting 10, my ones digit isn't changing. Now let's find out why when I subtract 10, I just go back up my hundreds board. Let's start at 73. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count back 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can see that I've landed on 63, and notice how that number is directly above 73, which was the number that I started on. Let's go back up and try a question. Let's imagine I have 54 counters and I want to take away 30. Well, if I need to start at 54, and if I take away 10, that will take me to 44. If I subtract another 10, that will take me to 34, and if I subtract one more 10, that will take me to 24. And I'm just going to double check that I've taken away what I need to. I had to take away 30, so that was a jump of 10. This is a second jump, again going back 10, and my third jump, going back another 10, takes me to 24. So 54 minus 30 is 24. And we can see what that looks like on our hundreds board. Here is 54. That was the jump going back 10. All the way back to here is a jump of 20. And all the way back to here, which is what we had to do, is a jump of 30. And you can see the ones digit didn't change in all our jumps. Let's try another question. Let's imagine I've got 71 counters and I want to take away 20. Well, just like last time, I'm going to start on 71, which is the amount of counters I've got. And if I jump back 10, that will take me to 61. And if I jump back another 10, that will take me to 51. And I'm just going to double check that I have taken away 20. There's one jump of 10, and there is my second jump of 10. So 71 minus 20 is 51. Let's have a look at what that looks like on our hundreds board. Alright, here is 71, and when I subtracted 10, that took me to 61, but 20 took me all the way back to 51. Notice how the ones digit hasn't changed. Let's have a think about the important things to remember in this lesson. Well, when I'm subtracting tidy numbers, I'm going straight back up my hundreds board. And because I'm going straight back up my hundreds board, you notice that the ones digit never changes. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Addition and Subtraction book from the White Book collection.